So the first reason is increase in data generation. So machine learning is used to solve many problems by finding out appropriate solutions. Next is it is also helpful in decision making process. So how we can take decisions by using machine learning? So by making such algorithms which are useful to take better decisions, we can make decisions. So with the help of machine learning, companies can forecast its sales and accordingly it can take steps, they can increase their sale. Next, we have different patterns and trends in data. So by using machine learning, we can find hidden patterns and draw important insights from the data by using machine learning. So how we can do this? This is done by using different statistical tools. Even we can solve complex problems with the help of machine learning. So these are some basic points for which machine learning is very useful nowadays.